see real students doing practice tests designed to focus on the techniques you need to do your very best in an oral exam. We're going to see 11 tests with tasks drawn from a variety of different oral exams. There's also an advice section with tips to help you perform at your best. And there's also worksheets designed to focus you on the strategies and techniques you need.
Now we're going to talk about something different. In this part of the exam, you're going to talk together about a situation. You're going to talk about making plans for the weekend. You have different ideas about what to do. I'm just going to listen. All right, so please discuss your ideas and decide what you would like to do during the weekend.
Okay.
So, what would you like to do this weekend?
I don't know, maybe we can practice some sport.
I would like to play tennis on Saturday.
I think that it's too hot to play tennis.
And what about another sport?
We could go swimming, but I don't like swimming, so we can do another thing. We can do tennis next week.
Okay. Do you remember on Saturday is Frank's party?
I don't want to go to Frank's party because Frank's parties are always very boring, so I don't want to go.
So I don't want to go either, so...
Okay, so we can do another thing.
Yeah. What would you like to do?
What about going to the Science Museum?
I don't really want to go to a science museum.
Okay, so
I
what do you
prefer
think?
going to a photo gallery.
Okay.
Before the photo gallery, we can have lunch in...
Where do you want to have lunch?
I would like to go to a Chinese restaurant.
But I think that there isn't any Chinese restaurant near the photo gallery, so we can go to a pizza.
There's a pizza near
Yes,
it?
I know a pizza restaurant near.
Okay, so we can go to have some pizza and
Okay.
then to the photo gallery.
And I also want to go to the cinema.
Are we going to have enough time?
I think that if we go in the morning to the cinema, we can go after to the art gallery.
Okay, what would you like to see in the cinema?
Maybe an action film.
Okay, I think that's our idea.
So we can go first to the cinema after having lunch and after going to the photo gallery.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well thank you very much. That's the end of the test. Now we're going to talk about something different. In this part of the exam, you're going to talk together about a situation. Okay? You're going to talk about buying a present for a friend. You have different ideas about what to buy. I'm just going to listen. All right? So please discuss your ideas and decide what present to buy your friend.
Next Friday is our friend's birthday party. What are we going to buy for her?
Well, she loves clothes, so we could buy her a t-shirt, maybe.
But she has a lot of clothes.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, a lot of clothes. So
Yeah.
she might don't like it.
Yeah, but if she loves clothes, you can't get enough of something you love, but okay.
I don't think so.
Well,
What about some shoes? Some summer shoes? Sandals or something like that?
Yeah, flip-flops or something
Oh
to
yeah,
go to the
she
pool,
can
the
use
swimming
it.
pool.
Yeah, to swim.
Yeah, and what do you think about a smartphone case here? Because I think she has a new mobile phone.
Yeah, she got it last week and she might like it. But what about an app?
Yeah, app would be a good idea, but I don't know what kind of app.
Yeah, I don't know what she would like.
What she would like. It's very hard.
What about some books? She's going to university next year and she
Oh
might
yeah,
need
that's
it.
true. Yeah, but yeah, some books of medicine or something or
Yeah,
biology.
but I don't know if the books are maybe too expensive.
Yeah, I don't have a lot of money to
Me
spend.
neither.
Yeah.
So we can ask some friends if they would like to pay the present with us.
Or even we could buy her a cinema pass because
Oh, that
she
would be
loves
awesome.
films.
Yeah, and there's a new action film which I heard is pretty good. So
Yeah, that's.
what about that? And after we can go to have dinner together.
Oh yeah, we could go.
We will
have dinner.
have. Yeah, that will be awesome.
That's so we could do both things. What do you think?
That's good because we can go to Italian restaurants.
Oh
Love
yeah,
it.
yeah, I
And
love pizza.
I think that won't be too expensive.
No.
So that will be a really good
Yeah.
present. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of the test.
I would like to go to a Chinese restaurant. Okay, so we can go to have some pizza and
Okay.
then to the photo gallery.
Well, she loves clothes, so we could buy her a t-shirt, maybe.